Here we go. So on to the installation part. So we can just restart this. Cool. So I have the link in the description, right? You're just gonna copy that, paste it on the browser, and then you go. Upon going there, this is what you will see. So this is the owner of the project, which is me. Cool. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to code, that green little thing called where there is code text right there, right? You can clone using HTTPS, but then since you might not be able to connect to your you can use HTTP, but then it's easier to just go to download. I'm just gonna download, wait for it to download, and then it is downloading. It will take a little bit of its time depending on the speed of my Wi-Fi. Okay, it's done, right? So once you're done, you're gonna go to your downloads folder or wherever your download files go, or wherever your files that you download with your browser go to, right? So what you're gonna do there is go there, and then it's right click, and then you're gonna extract there, right? Once you extract, you go to that directory, and then you're going to go to that directory, and these are the source files, right? So if you want to see how the code or how the code is working, right, you can just look at those files. But if you want to install, this is the file, right? So you can just go to that directory, and then from there you will see this is my executable file, right? So what I'm going to do there is open my terminal there. Cool. And then if I type ls, this is the file, right? So to install this file so that you can run it anywhere on your terminal in any directory, you just gonna sudo move, and then it's git manager, and then you provide the bin you want to use, right? You can either use usr or bin, or you can move it to usr local bin, right? As long as it's inside the bin, then you'll be able to run it anywhere on your terminal. And once you have successfully installed once you have successfully moved that executable file into a bin, if I type git, okay, let me move out of that directory so that we don't get to run that one. We want to make sure that we can run it anywhere, right? And then it's just git, since you might have git version control there, so just that. And then what you're gonna do there is run the program, and there we go, it runs the program, right?